Hello, I am Anaid Cisneros, a year tutor at Eastwood Middle School, and in this video I'm going to talk about reflections. Once you go to high school and take Algebra 1, you will need to master topics such as slope, two variable linear equations, and identifying x and y intercepts. Having a clear understanding of how geometric transformations such as reflections work, how to identify them, and how to draw the line of reflection for two figures will help you understand future topics in your high school mathematics classes. Let's do a quick review on reflections. A reflection is a type of geometric transformation. In this kind of mathematical problem, you must take each point in a figure and reflect it over the given line of reflection. You might be assigned to reflect points or figures across the reflection line. The original object is called the preimage, and the result of its reflection is called the image. The reflection of an object has the same shape and size than the original object. Therefore, both objects are congruent. Now, let's see an example of how reflection works. Imagine that you're given this point and you're assigned to calculate the reflection of the point given across the y-axis. The first step is to identify your line of reflection. In this case, you're told that the line of reflection is the y-axis. Therefore, the blue line is your line of reflection. The second step is to count the number of units that your given point is away from the line of reflection. The distance from the point to the line of reflection is of 2 units. And the final step is to count the same number of units, in this case 2, from the line of reflection in the other side of the line of reflection, and then draw your point. So this will be your final result for finding the reflection point of the original given point. Now, if you're assigned to find the reflection of a figure, it is exactly the same process. First, you identify the reflection line, in this case the y-axis, the blue line. Second, you choose a point and then count how many units is the point away from the line of reflection. For example, point A is 2 units away from the point of reflection. Therefore, you count 2 units in the opposite side of the line, and that is where your reflection point is located. The reflection points are typically labeled exactly as the original point, but with an apostrophe next to it. So in this case, the reflection point A is labeled A prime. The next point, point B, is located 4 units away from the reflection line. Therefore, to find its reflection points, you just count 4 units on the opposite side of the reflection line and label the point B prime. Finally, since point C is 0 units away from the reflection line, the reflection point of C will be 0 units away from the reflection line as well. And you label the point C prime. And that is all for me for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or need individual assistance with your classes, you can go to tutor.com and get individualized help